1932, Australia declared war on birds. Yes, actual Amos. After World War One, Aussie veterans were given farmland in Western Australia. But there was a problem. 20,000 gained Amos invaded their fields, destroying crops like feather tanks. The government solution: sent soldiers with machine guns, and so began the Great Ammo War. But Amos were fast. The dodged bullets scattered in small groups. The soldiers could barely hit them. After 10,000 rounds of ammo, they only killed a few hundred. The rest just ran faster. The army gave up. The Amos won. Australia, the only country to lose a war to bulls.